E mais tem gente mexendo, tentando, pelejando, é homem pra caralho, entendeu? Mexendo. Olha o tanto de homem pelejando com esse negócio.
Hey, do you mind if he does that?
Well, just probably dump it in the garage. You can't dump it in the house floor like that because it'll fucking make a mess.
Do you mind if he dumps in the garage?
I don't know why if he dumps a couple loads on that side there, and then we just pull in, he's gonna go over, he's got a couple more loads on that side. That's big enough bucket.
What, fill him up?
One time, one more time if it don't work, we fucking dump it in the bucket and boom.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's the deal.
We'll try it one more time.
Oh, this way, he's gonna come over. So then we'll fucking
What do you think? What do you think? Is that gonna work? What's that? Camera? Yes. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
All we gotta do is get him off the once he gets
We'll get your boots on, guys.
Yep.
You want 4 more? Fucking dump it in
They're gonna go. Fucking go. Tirou mesmo. Tentado. Valeu. Nobody gave applause. Why?
Something about 300 feet.
Let it go, boy.